So in a given simulation, in a specific scenario, what are the objective behaviors and decisions and words and phrases that are exhibited that we can observe and rate, and then cumulatively make up the different dimensions of performance in that that our experts would want to see in that specific scenario, right? And so those, similar to using the simulation as just as a learning tool, you would want to hit all those points in the simulation. But in using the simulation to assess performance, we want to see the extent to which and the quality of exhibiting those behaviors and those learning objectives, those skills and competencies that were identified in the straight teaching version of that simulation. Does that make sense?
Yes. Okay. Thanks. And Heidi, you have a comment as well, and then we're going to get to our chat question.
I really do, and it's sort of a cautionary, just to add thought, because this is a bit of a slippery slope. And so, the focus of evaluation is, do you want to evaluate the quality of the training, or are you trying to evaluate performance for the purpose of a personnel function? And I would just caution against the second, particularly if it's a university or a it's not the county that's offering the training. Again, often these behaviors that we're working with when we're working with new staff, this is the first time or this is a new behavior for them. And we want it to be a safe learning environment. We want to encourage people to make an effort, and we don't expect people to be perfect at the beginning. So if you say this is a safe environment for you to practice, and you can make mistakes and learn from them, we're here to help you, and then you turn around and say, you're not cutting it, we're going to get you out, it changes it. So I really think it's something that people need to really be mindful of. When we took this infrastructure from the law enforcement, they conduct a series of different scenarios, how to do a traffic stop and how to do these other things. And at the end of all of that, they have an